3 months ago, I was wasting hours editing videos that nobody watched. Zero views, zero growth, just frustration. And then, I found something that changed everything. I'm not a professional editor. I don't have expensive software. And honestly, I almost quit YouTube. Every day felt the same. Record, edit for hours, upload. And then, nothing. It's not just about views. It's that feeling when you try so hard, and it feels like nobody even sees you. That's when I discovered Prompto Studio AI. At first, I didn't believe it. An AI that creates full videos from just a simple idea? You type one sentence, and it writes your script, adds visuals, generates voiceover, and even captions everything automatically. No stress, no editing. For the first time, it actually felt easy. And suddenly, I could post consistently. More videos, better content. If you've ever felt stuck, like you're trying but not getting anywhere, this might be the thing that changes it for you too. Not overnight success, but a real shortcut that saves your time and energy. If you want to try it, check the link in the description. Before it blows up,